Thank you so much for joining me. And today I'm going to take a look at the trades I took on Tuesday, September 6, 2022. So this is the Tuesday right after the Labor Day holiday. And for me, it was a bit of a quick day. I was a little bit under the weather on today, so I was contemplating not even trading at all. So I ended up taking one trade. The market over the weekend had popped up a little bit, at least in the pre-market, but by the time it opened, was giving back some of the gains, and about 20 or 30 minutes into the session, it had already all the indices are starting to go red. So today I only took one trade on the SPY. There were actually lots of other trades that I could have taken, but just wasn't really feeling up to it to trade for my normal hour that I do, at least until 9:30 market time, or 10:30 market time rather. So taking a look at the chart for the SPY, as I mentioned, the market had opened up higher. If you look to the left here, pre-market, the gray area the market was up about, the Dow anyway, was I think up about 200 or so points, and the NASDAQ up about one something. So everything was green, and then into the open it started to give back some of the gains. So everything, as I saw everything turning red, I was looking for a move here lower. Now, look at the line here. The yellow line, this is the previous day's close, so it's be the close on Friday. So because everything turned so red so quickly, I was looking for a move here lower. So if you take a look at the order entry here on the SPY, got in at 944 exactly, 944 even, took the 391 put, took two of them. Was only looking to take maybe a couple of trades and looking for a big move since everything so abruptly started going red. So I took two contracts, got filled both at 128, and only held this for a couple of minutes. So it did struggle a little bit here. I got a really big push right after I took the order, and then you see that wick coming up, approaching the red line there. That's the 9 AMA. So it was slightly red after having got a quick move in my favor. So I held it a little longer because, like I said, nothing in the market, everything was starting to turn over and head lower for the day, or at least at this time of the morning anyway. So held it to the very next red candle. You'll see I got it here. The green arrow here is where the buy order, and the red arrow is the sell order. So this bigger red solid candle here is where I got out. And if you take a look at it, it just continued on lower. There was a slight pullback for another possible entry, but it sold off pretty hard. The market just turned over really quickly right after the open. So as I mentioned, there were other opportunities today that I could have taken advantage of, but just wasn't really physically up to it today. I was almost a no trade day just because I was just under the weather. But looking at the charts, there actually were lots of good opportunities today. So held this for just about a couple of minutes. Looking at the order here, sold the 391 put at 946.14, so just about 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Sold both at 140, about a 140 and a half average. So probably one at 141 and one at 140. So got at 140.05. So it was a one and done kind of a day. AMD, I normally watch AMD, the Qs, and SPY. They all had pretty good movements, as I mentioned earlier, but just got this one here. So ended the day up, just a one and done, up $18.19. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like below. And if you want to continue to follow along with my day trader journey, you want to make sure you hit the next episode, be sure to hit that subscribe and the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.